Welcome to another video here in Logicbus Explains. Today, we'll learn how to use the Pay for Your Quote item to make the payment for your order on our website. Enter to logicbus.com/payforyourquote. Type or check the amount to pay and click in the Add to Cart button. Remember that only one Pay for Your Quote item must be shown on the card. This item includes all the items in your quote. Check that the total amount is correct according to the quote pricing and then select the Proceed to Checkout button. Now, fill out the empty fields with your billing and shipping information and then select your shipping method. Pick the free shipping option only if the cost is already included in the entered amount. Pick the shipping account option if you want to use your own parcel account and only pay for the price of the items. The by quantity option is usually used on our regular orders when a quantity of the items are covered by our ground service. Put in the item Pay for Your Quote, we won't use it. Select your method of payment. You can pick the payment by credit card option and fill out the corresponding fields with your card information. Pick the PayPal option and complete your information to proceed with the payment through the PayPal system. Or pick the wire transfer option to see all our bank information. Mark all the additional question boxes for you're aware of our policies. If you pick the shipping account option, you can share with us your personal account in this field. Also, you can share with us any additional information in the comments section. And finally, you can complete the purchase process selecting the Checkout button. Congratulations! You have completed your order using the Pay for Your Quote item, and now you will receive all the information of your order through your email. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you soon in another Logicbus Explain video. Bye bye!